Hi everyone. I have a quick workbook to work on. If you open up Excel Advanced Features STCC 3, you'll notice that I have the first page, which is a fee summary, and then if you click the next one, the next worksheet, Carson, it'll show you the Carson fees, the dentist Carson for January, February, March, his general examinations. The same thing for Benjamin and Jeffrey, each one with their January, February, and March fees. So what I'd like to do is go back to the fee summary, and I'd like the general examinations taken from Carson, Benjamin, and Jeffrey. So click in B7, click the auto sum feature, click the worksheet Carson, hold shift and click Jeffrey. So you've selected all three so that they stay selected, and click the very first one, January general examination, and then press enter. So what you've done is you've collected the general examination from Carson, Benjamin, and Jeffrey, and you have it in one total on the fee summary, pulled from all three. And all you have to do to complete it is use your fill handle across, and then fill handle down, and then for your totals, Alt equals, and just make sure it's only covering B7 through D7, check, and drag it across, and you'll be all set. Thank you. Save and submit.